We requested this resolution for the reactivation of the account of PDAF under Raul Gonzalez Jr. Since the land bank informed us that the account is already dormant. Under the COA rules, we are not allowed to pay for the penalties and surcharges. That is why you have to reactivate this one.
So, may pondo pa ni siya.
Yes, may
Kailangan
quite, hindi lang ko kabalo, sir, kung how much pa ang sulod. Pero, since wala may nagasulod, so, na siya, naga-dormant.
Pero ga-accumulate ni siya interest.
Yes.
Yes.
So, since wala movement, so, madormant siya.
What is the plan of reactivating this bank account?
In order, lang sir, to, para hindi kita maka-incur sang penalty, kay kung mag-dormant account ka, may penalty na siya ginabuhin, so hindi na allowed sang COA. So, ang tendency, kami mabayad personally, kaya hindi pwede.
So, in other words, i-reactivate siya, kwao ng unod, tapos
Yes.
i-deactivate. Okay.
So, if ever kung ano.
But are we allowed to get the funds?
So, depende kung kung honta.
Pero may guidelines.
Yes, the possibility is under the guidelines kung paano natin ma-use ang iyan nga amount. Kaya tika nugon lang, ara lang da siya, wala naman may nagasulod, kasi wala naman sa ano. So, sa amon nga side, in order nga hindi kita maka-incur penalties, sige, reactivation lang. From the time nga si Land Bank informing us nga dormant ng account.
Okay?
Yes, okay, sila naman
Yes. Councilor Malabor?
Madam Chair, clarification lang. I-reactivate natin pero hindi natin mahulag ang funds. Amo na siya, ma'am.
Yes. Kaya ang siya is gasulod. May gasulod lang kung sa PDAP ni Gonzales.
Ang purpose lang para nga hindi kita magbayad sa penalties or
Yes.
surcharges.
Yes.
Pero hindi natin mahulag. Hindi natin pwede ma-close ang account, Madam Chair.
Di lang ko siya sure. I have to ask the city treasurer or the kung paano natin ma-use ang remaining account dira sa PDAP dira.
Kay last question na, Madam Chair. Okay, kung amo ni ang aton nga procedure, every time reactivate naton once nga declare sa bank nga dormant ang aton nga account. So, ang akon lang nga, mas better nga i-close naton na account or para nga hindi na burden sa aton nga treasurer, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Sige sir, ask the city treasurer regarding this.
Okay. Councilor Cabaluna?
Just one manifestation, Madam Chair, is not a question. I don't think she could answer. No? May request the Secretariat. Usually, kung mag-open, ni kita sang account, ginapangayuan, kita di permiso to open account and to designate signatories. No? Maybe we can help aid the City Treasurer. No, kung sino ni siyang signatory sa likod sining PDAP Raul Gonzalez Jr. kag kung for what purpose gin-open ang account nga ini, no? This is after the fact nga kung ma-activate na. Kay mabalaan na karon sinong signatories, mabalaan man kung sa ano siya nga purpose, kaya hindi pwede nga i-close mo lang o saraduhon mo lang kung may ara siya purpose pa nga continuing, no? So that's amo na siguro. Pero per experience ko ginalisensya man at di sa aton before the accounts are open and the signatories are made. Amo lang ang manifestation ko, Madam Chair, to aid the City Treasurer, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Siguro, paano mag-close ang account? Maagi man na di sa council?
Yes, magi man sa council.
Magyapon.
Yes, Madam Chair.
To reiterate, no, we have previously closed accounts for COVID-19 virus. So, na-conclude naman ang nga purpose na close account siya. Can you tell us again ano natabo to sa COVID-19 to nga account to? Madumduman mo? Hindi man naman madumduman. But still, no, there's a possibility that we could, before closing this account, we could withdraw the funds.
Yes,
What happens? It goes back to the general fund.
general fund.
So it is one of the diba may regular income tapos may ara sang
Trust. Kasi this is a trust.
Trust fund.
So, yeah, you have to identify first if you can deposit in, makadto siya sa Gen Fund. Kaya this is a trust. Kaya PIDAF.
Oh, sige.
May purpose.
Any more
But i-insure ka lang siguro, ma'am, because di ba kay PDAF siya.
Oo,
Base
PDAF.
bala, hindi pwede.
Oo, kag ibalik lang sa National Treasury.
Kag ibalik sa National
Yes.
Treasury. Oo.
Congressman sa mo?
Yeah. And then it was declared later on, di ba, ang PDAF nga hindi pwede. So, base bala, ma-technical man ka bala, penalties. Sige, Councilor Parcon?
Kamalan man nagyapon sa bangko.
Madam Chair, just a question. Bilang unod, Ma'am How?
Hindi lang ko ma'am ka sang unod siya kay bala mo si Land Bank wala kita na passbook. Bank certification lang na siya.
Oo. Kay base kung wala na lang unod,
May
ang
inoda
dormant?
siya ma'am. Actually may inoda sa we will not request for the reactivation if wala unod.
No, so mo muna ng question ang Madam Chair kay base kung wala unod galing ang bali ma'am may unod.
May unod. I think million daw. Million, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
No, I'd like to clarify, no. The issue here is that ano siya, DBP or Land Bank? Land Bank. The issue here is that when an account becomes dormant, the Land Bank of the Philippines would exact surcharges. Diba? So it's different between, let's say you have a maintaining balance, it's a different situation. So it does not necessitate that it is below maintaining balance. Am I correct,
Yes.
Madam Hildred? Now, I just like to call for the decision from the August body because there are oppositions to the grant of the authority here, especially from Councilor Dron. He is uncomfortable of granting authority. Why? Number one, this might pertain to the national government because it says it's PDAF Raul Gonzalez Jr. So basically, it could be national government. We might not be the signatories here. We might not be the account holder of this particular account. Number two, the city treasurer could not even determine how much is the amount of this particular account. However, I would like to invite the city council of a pressing matter that we might be spending for surcharges. So, how much would the surcharge would be?
I think it's 200 pesos a month. But then we cannot get the amount for the penalties. Agency fee, no? Dapat ang mabayad is from our own pocket. Hindi kita allowed to pay under COA rules. Hindi kita allowed to pay for the penalties and surcharges. That is why.
Okay, sa pondo sang Iloilo City Government
Yes.
sa ato na anyway, I think it's safer for the meantime, no, to delay this. I-determine nato na yung ato na position, legal position, if we are capacitated to open this account, if there is funds, no, kindly come back and re-endorse this item to the City Council, complete with all the information para makadesisyon man kami so that we would have a very informed decision on this matter. Saan siya nag-dormant? How? I presume dugay na
This month, so the Land Bank is informing us nga madormant na siya.
Anyway,
Okay, anyway,
200 pesos, Madam Chair.
Ay, 1 month.
Yes, just delay.
Okay.
Anyway,
Sige.
specific.
Okay na? Pwede na ka mo pamangkot?
Okay na.
I-defer ta ni siya, ha?
I-defer lang.
Sige. Ma'am, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Move to resume session.